Hello students, in this video lecture, we will learn about the different types of operators in C++ with the help of examples. So first, what is operator? Operator is a special symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical operator. Another way we define operator is a symbol used for performing operations on operands. An operator operates operands. The operations can be mathematical or logical. There are different types of operators in C++ for performing different operations. Consider the following operation: a equal to x plus y. In this statement, x and y are the operands, while plus symbol is an addition operator. When the C++ compiler encounters the above statement, it will add x and y and store the result in variable a. In C++, most of the operators are binary operators. That is, these operators require two operands to perform an operation. Basically, operator is used to transform one or more values into a single resultant value. Here we discuss different types of operators in C++. All these operators are binary operators. These operators are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, ternary or conditional operators, scope resolution operator, and last, the comma operator. Now we discuss in detail all these operators one by one. We discuss first operator, that is arithmetic operator. This operator is used for performing different arithmetical operations. Table shows different types of arithmetic operators with example and their result. Next operator is relational operator. Relational operator, also called comparison operator. These operators are used to test the relation between two values. It requires two operands. A relational expression returns 0 when the relation is false and a non-zero when it is true. Table shows different types of relational operators with example and their result. Next operator is logical operator. The logical operators are used to combine one or more relational expression. Suppose we want to combine two conditions, a less than b and b greater than c, then we need to use logical operator like a less than b, logical operator b greater than c. Table shows different types of logical operators with example and their result. Second table shows truth table of logical operator. Next operator is bitwise operator. Bitwise operators perform bit level operations on operands. First, operators are converted to bit level, then operations are performed on the operands. When arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction are done at bit level, results can be achieved faster. Table shows different types of bitwise operators and their description. Also, given example shows how to use bitwise operators in a programming and their result. Next operator is assignment operator. The assignment operator equal to sign is used for assigning a variable to a value. This operator takes the expression on its right hand side and places it into the variable on its left hand side. For example, m equal to 5. It also supports compound assignment operators. Table shows different types of assignment operators with example and their result. Next operator is ternary operator. If any operator is used on three operands or variable is known as ternary operator. It can be represented with question mark, colon. It is also called as conditional operator. Using ternary operator reduce the number of line codes and improve the performance of application. The general format of ternary operator is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. In the above format, expression 1 is condition and expression 2 and expression 3 will be either value or variable or statement or any mathematical expression. If condition will be true, expression 2 will be executed, otherwise expression 3 will be executed. Example shows use of ternary operator. Next operator is a scope resolution operator. C++ is also a block structured language. It may contain block within block as shown in figure. Declaration of variable in an inner block hides or declaration of same variable is an outer block. Therefore, each declaration will cause refer to a different data object. Scope resolution operator can be used to uncover a hidden variable. It has the form scope resolution operator variable name. This operator always access to a global version of variable. For example, scope resolution operator count means global version of count and not the local variable count. Next operator is comma operator. The comma operator gives left to right evaluation of expression. The set of expression has to be evaluated for a value. Only the rightmost expression is considered. For example, integer a equal to 1 comma b equal to 2 comma c equal to 3 comma I. In this example, comma acts as a separator, not as an operator. In the second example, I equal to in bracket a comma b. In this example, store b into I. In the both statement, first assign the value of a to I and then assign value of b to variable I. So at the end, variable I will contain the value 2. Last operator is size of operator. This size of operator can be used to find how many bytes are required for an object to store in memory. For example, size of in bracket char returns 1. Char is a data type of C++ and the size of this data type is 1 byte. So it returns 1. The second example shows size of in bracket float returns 4. Float is a data type of C++ and the size of this data type is 4 bytes. In this example, it returns 4. The size of operator determines the amount of memory required for an object at compile time rather than at runtime. Next topic is increment and decrement operator in C++. Increment operators are used to increase the value of the variable by 1 and decrement operators are used to decrease the value of the variable by 1. Both increment and decrement operator are used on single operand or variable. So it is called as a unary operator. Unary operators are having higher priority than the other operators. It means unary operators are executed before the other operators. The general format of increment and decrement operator is as shown. Double plus sign is an increment operator and double minus sign is an decrement operator. Note that increment and decrement operators cannot apply on constant. Now example shows when we use constant it will give error. There are two types of increment operator. They are pre-increment operator and post-increment operator. And second type of decrement operator, there are the two types of decrement operator. One is a pre-decrement and second is a post-decrement. Now first we discuss the types of increment operator. In pre-increment, first increment the value of variable and then used inside the expression that is initialized into another variable. The general format is plus plus variable. Example shows use of pre-increment operator and their result. In the program, first increase the value of I and then used value of I into expression. In post increment, first value of variable is used in the expression, that is initialize into another variable and then increment the value of variable. The general format is variable plus plus. Now example shows use of post increment operator and their result. In this program, first use the value of I into expression, then increase the value of I by 1. Next type of decrement operator, the first is pre-decrement operator and next is post-decrement operator. In pre-decrement operator, first decrement the value of variable and then used inside the expression, that is initialize into another variable. The general format is minus minus variable. Now example shows use of pre-decrement operator and their result. In this program, first decrease the value of I and then value of I used in expression. Now in the post decrement operator, first value of variable is used in the expression, that is initialized into another variable and then used decrement the value of variable. The general format is variable minus minus. Now example shows use of post decrement operator and their result. Now in this program, first decrease the value of I and then value of I used in expression. So this is increment and decrement operator in C++.